yakhe because she wanted numbers from me. I went to a broadcast. Now she after that she went and invited my enemy. She went and invited my enemy. Who does she think she is? And a week after that, a week after that, she invited my enemies. I don't like her. I don't like her. I don't like her anymore. I don't like her. I'm gonna block her. What's up? Joe? It's like that I'm blocker. Yaba Kija Movite. Yaba Kija Movite. Ke thosetsa ka mageu. I don't block. Yaba Kija Movite lona. Ke thosa ka mageu. Hai suka. He koko ingeng ke motho. Ke motho. Ho sala. He koko ska pendula. Be a bigger person. Be a bigger person ke le slender je lona ke otile ke mathata. Bentse ke ba bigger person. Ya se ke otile. La se na le fika.
Hello, hi, welcome to Umkosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kokos Kotene Clubs back Dominic uze ufake liphepha lasandleni ukopela lama nails lamathe at Dominic Kesana. This is after Dominic dragged Ukokos Kotene lapana go TikTok. So Ukokos Kotene is just clapping back Kesana, dragging back to Dominic, and people are saying ukuthi Dominic umithe image yakhe because one thing about Ukokos Kotene ngofear for goal Kesana. She will drag people who drag her drag back again. So people are saying ukuthi nje uDominic namalanga ngazuthi ndiyamkhalela. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.